Hey, this is Tony at Rut Manufacturing. Today we're going to take a look at our skid steer bucket. A couple things make buckets different. One thing we do, we use grade 50 steel, USA prime steel. We don't use any seconds. A lot of the competition, probably 90% of the competition, uses A36 steel. Differences in the steel is A36, you got 36,000 pounds of PSI as a tensile strength. Grade 50 is 50,000 pounds square inch tensile strength. Standard 1/4 inch bucket wrap, not a 3/16 bucket wrap like you see a lot of places do. We use 1/2 inch bracing on the sides. We got extra bracing back here at the back at the quick attach, which really helps when you're picking up a heavy load or you're back dragging. We use standard 1/2 inch wear bars across the bottom, big wide wear bars. 3/4 by 6 cutting edge is standard, and this is a heavy bucket. I mean, it's not a cheap bucket. You're not going to replace this bucket every year, year and a half like a lot of buckets. We build it heavy, we build it to last.